Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. First of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection which is required, and of course I do not have my internet connection, so let me quickly connect myself with the Wi-Fi. Just give me a second. Alright, we've got the connection, so now, as I said, we can enter the settings, scroll down and enter about device. Now all we have to do is to tap on this Realme UI toggle, so let's tap on it, and your device is checking for the updates. Basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your version is up to date and there is nothing to download, and the second scenario where your device will actually find the update. So it will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install, and your device will apply it to your device, to your software. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.